Now, as you can see, I've added that tomato ketchup, that raw ketchup, okay, to that. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna get some raw honey. I'm gonna take a heaping tablespoon of raw honey and throw it up in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some mustard, just a quarter of a tablespoon of mustard, and put it in there. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is turn the fire off. Okay, turn the fire off, because that is the base for my gravy. Okay, I'm also gonna add some pink salt to that. So I added about 7 very light-handed shakes of sea salt in there, and I'm gonna put some curry in there, just about 4 shakes of that, not too much. And I also added about 7 light shakes of this poultry seasoning. Okay, we'll be right back.